Hello everybody, I'm Sarah. So this is my day one speaking practice. Lately, I feel like my speaking skill is not enough and is not fluent as I expect. So from today, I'm gonna try myself to practice every single day for 10 days constantly. This is unscripted, so I might be making mistakes. The first topic that I've chosen for today is talking about myself. I know listening about a stranger is pretty boring, right? But let me talk about myself. My name is Sarah, that's my English name, and as I care about my privacy, I don't want to talk about my real name. I am 23 years old, but technically I will be 24 within next 6 months or 7 months, so you can say I'm 24 literally. Speaking about my career, I am an English instructor, but how to say, I don't assume myself that I'm a professional instructor because I need to go for that, even though I have some qualifications when it comes to my career. So let's talk about my hobby. I love doing a lot of things, especially when I was young. I loved reading, writing, singing, and like doing some artistic things. But after growing up, I feel like I literally don't have anything to do because I focus on my career a lot. So the older I am, the more I feel lost. The more I feel lost when it comes to my hobby. I think that's pretty sad for everyone, because as a person, we need to have at least one hobby to make ourselves relax and unwind our stresses, right? So that's about my hobby. When I get free time, I try to listen to music or I try to meditate. Oh, I remember now. Speaking of my hobby, I love meditations a lot. It helped me heal my traumas, and then also when I get really tired or exhausted, I am used to meditating. So at the time, I feel like I get healed from meditation. It's a great technique for me to unwind my stress. So I suggest you to meditate. I don't have much family member, but if I have to say, my mom and my sister, and they are the only people that I belong. My father passed away 3 years ago. I missed him a lot. And then how to say, let's forget about it because my family only gave me trauma sometimes, so I don't want to express it so much. As I am a journey person, my biography is not that much interesting. So if you want to practice along with me, you can talk about yourself and then your biography too. I'm interested to listen to.